In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a real estate CRM board in Monday.com. We're going to create a clean, practical system that helps you manage leads, clients, and deals in one place. This setup is especially useful if you're working with buyers, sellers, tenants, or general inquiries and want a simple way to stay organized, assign responsibility, and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Start by opening Monday.com and creating a new CRM board. This board will act as your central workspace for tracking every contact and every opportunity. The goal is to build something easy to maintain so your team can quickly understand where each person stands in the process. Once the board is created, add the columns you'll need to track important information. Include a column for the lead name so each contact is clearly identified. Add contact details, which can hold the essential information you need to reach them. Then include a property column so you can note which listing, address, or property interest is connected to that person. After that, add a stage column to show where they are in the pipeline, a value column to estimate the deal amount or projected revenue, and a follow-up date column so you always know when to reconnect. These columns give your board structure and make it much easier to scan and update at a glance. Next, create groups to organize the board by status. Set up groups for leads, active clients under contract, and closed deals. Think of these groups as major categories that reflect a contact's current position in your workflow. This makes the board much more visual and helps you move people forward as progress happens. Now begin adding each buyer, seller, tenant, or lead as an item on the board. Each item represents one contact or opportunity. As you add them, fill in the details carefully so the board becomes a reliable source of truth for your team. Consistency here matters because accurate records make follow-ups and reporting much easier later on. After that, assign each contact to the responsible team member. This creates clear ownership and prevents confusion about who should reply, call, or continue the conversation. If multiple people use the board, this step is essential for accountability. Then add automations for follow-ups and reminders. Automations help reduce manual work by prompting your team when it's time to take action. This is one of the best ways to stay responsive and avoid losing potential deals due to missed communication. Finally, use dashboards to track deals, pipeline value, and client activity. Dashboards turn the information in your board into a clear visual summary, helping you monitor performance, spot bottlenecks, and understand how your pipeline is moving over time. Once this is in place, you'll have a CRM system that's organized, scalable, and much easier to manage day to day.